been watching a lot of videos in English for 2 to 3 years for the purpose of learning English through these videos. But you know that time while watching, I thought English is not difficult as much as people said. But when it turns to speak, my mind goes blank and my mouth shut. You know, I always thought English is just a piece of cake for me. I will speak very fluently in front of someone, but when I speak, I was totally blank. My mind erased everything from my mind script. And I realized with the passage of time, I wasted my time by scrolling, by reacting, by checking my phone aimlessly again and again. But now I realize it's time to take step in practical way. If I don't do this time I will never achieve my goal in future. So that's the reason I am going to start my 30-day English speaking series. And in this way, I know that through your support, through your subscription, through your comments, I will improve with the passage of time. And also, I will keep consistent on YouTube. I know that I'm not speaking well, but no worry. The best thing is I am speaking. The best thing is I am keep trying. I know that viewers will laugh at me. Viewers will say she is not good at English or she is making continuously mistakes. But no matter. My main thing is to speak, to become fluent, and to build confidence. And the thing is, I'm making mistakes I will improve with the passage of time. So please, I'm requesting you, if you find any mistake in my speaking, in my way of that learning English, so let me know in the comment box. Through your comments I will improve with the passage of time. And also suggest me best grammar books, best reading books, and best apps for learning or speaking English. I think if you have mobile phone, you have no need anything. You just click your camera and start speaking. I have been practicing speaking in front of camera for 2 to 3 months. We always push ourselves back. We have no any chance to blame others. We should blame ourselves, not become fluent yet. We have been struggling for 2 to 3 years to learn English, to speak fluently, but still we are beginner. You know why? So I realized one thing: if not today, the better and best day will never come. So that's the reason I decided to take first step toward my destination. And inshallah, with the help of Allah Almighty and my viewers, I will keep going this journey on regular basis. And you people help me through your subscription and comments. I will keep going toward my destination, inshallah, and will upload my video every single day, because I am here to improve myself, to become better version of myself. So, if you note any mistake in my speaking, whether it's in grammar, whether it's in tenses, whether it's in pronunciation, please let me know in the comment box. Through your comments, I will improve step by step, and after 30 days, I will see what's now and what will be at the end of this month. Inshallah, end of this month it's better. It will be better. And I am recording this video without any script, without any planning. I just randomly clicked on my mobile phone camera and start speaking. Our relatives and in our family members, no one have, that no one want to see us become better versions, no one want to see us become successful. Everyone pulls our legs down. So that's the reason is I am here, because here we interact with native speakers, we interact with better versions than us. That's why they pointed out our mistakes. They point out our mistakes by their comments, and we will improve step by step. And through viewers, subscription, and comments, we will get motivation to move forward towards our destination. Because you know that everyone who's here and who's watching my video, definitely he is here or she is here just to learn English, to improve English, to become better versions. But unfortunately, in our society, we wasted our most of valuable time in thinking like it's a not better time to speak. If I made any mistake, if I make any mistake while speaking, what if they laugh at me, what if they tease me, and so on. But the main thing is we avoid ourselves. We didn't work on ourselves. And today I am starting my 30-day English speaking journey continuously. And after 30 days, I don't know what will happen. But one thing is sure, my future will be different than now. Because first step is harder always. And I am going to take first step toward my destination. And I hope you guys help me, you guys join me in this journey. If you find any mistake in my speaking, please let me know in the comment box and suggest me better, you know that and suggest me better way of speaking English, better way of learning English. Whether I am bad in grammar, whether I'm bad in vocabulary. And I realized if I do this again and again, then I will never change my future. So taking step is harder. Always first step is harder. But when you take first step, another steps still another step will become easier for you one by one. So that's the reason I am here in front of you to speak with you. And inshallah, I hope you guys help me a lot in this journey and you guys join me in this journey. Because you know that I'm alone here. I am here in this platform just to connect with native speakers, just to connect with better versions than me. And I the main reason is I am here just to improve my fluency, just to improve my English speaking. I want someone who point out my mistakes in my speaking. Like now I am speaking and I know that I am making many mistakes in grammar, in tenses. And someone who's listening me and tell me in comment box my mistakes, tense regarding related to tense, related to parts of speech, and related to and anything else. And in this way I will read the comments and try to improve my mistakes. In this way I will improve, inshallah. And the second thing is, you know that through viewers, their subscription, and their likes and comments, we get motivation to move forward and keep our, you know that journey forward. I have watched a video, one of English speaker from India. Their videos almost 10 to 12 to 15 minutes each video on his YouTube channel regarding English speaking. But now I'm speaking, you know that after a very long time I gathered my courage to speak. But this time I'm just speak, you know that I just spoke 4 to 5 minutes, and I think it's enough for me. My mind have no enough words more to speak. I should stop this video here. It's my dream to record video 10 to 15 minutes long. But I don't know when I'll achieve this dream, and I record my video 10 to 15 minutes. Inshallah, I hope in future I will record 10 to 15 minute video. So it's I think enough for today. Or keep support me in this journey. I will remember throughout my journey my first subscribers or supporter. You know that first thing never ever fade their importance. So let's end this journey here. Let's end this. Oh, sorry. I'm not ending my journey abruptly. I Let's end this video here.